Hey, this is Arthur Lovell with Lakeview Digital, and if you're watching this video, then you're probably a small business in the Maryland, DC, Virginia area looking for an SEO company, an online marketing company, a lead gen company in order to drive more leads and sales to your business. And what I wanted to do is actually give you a quick, brief update just to let you know that Lakeview Digital, depending on when you're actually watching this video, we are actually accepting new clients right now. But I wanted to show you just a few of the results that we're able to achieve just with cutting edge SEO. I know there's a lot of conjecture out there as far as like writing a whole bunch of content and all that sort of stuff, but what we like to do is test specifically and stay on the cutting edge of what's working right now. So here are just a couple of the searches that we're ranking for, and I want you to just take a look at some of these terms here. Like for instance, right now we're actually ranking number one. Here's our video for Virginia SEO company, and if you know anything about SEO, there's a whole bunch of SEOs out here trying to rank for this term, and we are number one for that. We are also number one for Virginia SEO expert. Now, again, that's a very competitive keyword because SEO, our profession, ranking Google, manipulating the search engines, and all that sort of stuff. There are a lot of people that actually kind of do this, but the results kind of speak for themselves. So what we've also been able to do is leverage the power of video to generate leads for our clients. Specifically, you can take a look at this term, Virginia Beach Plumber. We are actually number one for Virginia Beach Plumber and 24-hour emergency plumber in Virginia Beach. We are also number one for plumbers in Virginia Beach or plumber Virginia Beach. So let's say you had a pipe or a toilet that's overflowing and you're in the Virginia Beach area, you'd go on Google, say, hey, I need a plumber, and maybe you're not looking through the yellow pages. I'm not too sure how many people still look through that book or collect that book and use it more than just for a doorstop, but a lot of people are looking online for reviews and looking online to see which company shows up at the top so they can go ahead and give them a call. And that's why we leverage the power of video. We also do full-fledged SEO optimization for your site, but the reason why we leverage the power of video is specifically because what we do is cater to our clients' specific lead gen and sales needs. And if you look at the power of video, you can actually be a little bit more aggressive with video than you can for your own site. So what we do is create a diverse SEO campaign that not only just leverages the power of video, but also incorporates your site and other Web 2.0 assets. So let's just take a quick look at a couple different verticals here, just to show you that these are all facts and that we really do this very well. Bankruptcy lawyers in Richmond, Virginia. If you're in the legal field and you're a lawyer or some in the area and all that sort of stuff, and your site is not actually where you want it to be, well, instead of going with like a local SEO company that may tell you, hey, you know what, create a whole bunch of content and all that sort of stuff, or they may practice like overly aggressive SEO. What you may want to do is think about leveraging the power of video just so you can claim another spot and knock down maybe one of your competitor, or at least generate some leads as it actually takes time for your site to rank. So these are just local terms. We also rank for national terms. For instance, this keyword is home security systems, and this is actually one of our, uh, I would say probably one of our most impressive listings in Google, just because it's a national term and you're competing with the likes of like ADT. Uh, let's see here, who else is up here? Amazon, Honeywell, the home security store, Home Depot. And if you scroll down here, and typically depending on where you're located, we might be up here in this area and all that sort of stuff. But what you'll see is that we actually rank for the national term, home security system. So it's not just local terms that we're ranking for. We can rank for national terms, competitive national terms. In fact, home security systems is actually pretty competitive there. And let's see here. We can also rank for local versions of that term, like Home Security Systems Houston, right? We do this for lead gen and to generate leads for people who are interested in home security systems, and then we send them across to either via phone call or via, you know, the actual website and all that sort of stuff, we actually send those leads to a landing page to optimize for that. Another listing is first time home buyer programs in Maryland. And another listing is Virginia SEO expert or Virginia SEO consultant, and you'll see that our video shows up there. So, just giving you a quick update, if you are looking for cutting edge SEO techniques or strategies and an SEO company that can kind of tailor to your specific needs, not just from, hey, yeah, we'll do SEO for your site, but actually look at your specific circumstance and you're saying, well, hey, I need leads fast. Well, then we'll go ahead and leverage the power of video. However, if you're one of those individuals that say, hey, you know what, I'm a small or a mid-sized business and I'm just not getting the results that I want, definitely give us a call. You can visit our site. You can give us a call at 781-462-1736. Again, this is Lakeview Digital. Visit our site, check us out. And if you want to ask us about any of our rankings as far as like our clients, we definitely keep the specific client that we work with. We keep their identities very secret because we don't want, SEO is one of those things where you do it but you don't do it. So what we do is make sure that we keep it very confidential and all that sort of stuff. So, but anyway, just give us a call, check us out. Again, this is Arthur Lovell with Lakeview Digital, and you have a great day. I'll see you on the other side.